welcome to part, I don't know, 2, 3 of me remodeling my apartment and putting in new flooring. So, today, just ended work. I'm on my way to a hardware store to meet up with my dad. We're gonna go and buy trim for the apartment around the doors as well as on the floor. And yeah, I think I have decided on what type of trim I want to get. Like, I really want black trim because I have black around 2 different doors already, 3 different doors already, and I really want to have black because I really do think that it's going to look great on my floors, like in my apartment, but I don't think anyone else will like it. I think that, I don't know, I feel like someone else might not think that that is a nice and pretty interior design moment. And I am actually laying floors to sell eventually, depending on how the market is going. Hello, little lady, can you go? So yeah, so I'm putting in new flooring because I want to sell. That's what I'm trying to say, and therefore I feel like I should not place black flooring or black trims. So what I'm actually looking at now is I have a piece of floor with me. I'm gonna see if I can find trim that is in light oak, matches my floor that I have. Either it has to match perfectly, or we have to have some kind of difference so that it looks seamlessly nice, you know. But that's that. And if I can't find anything that I feel like looks the best, I'm going to buy white, because white is like my last thing. My last option is white. So yeah, because I had white before, it looks okay, like it looks good because white is like the standard. So yeah, we're going there, we're going to the hardware store, we're going to Hornbach, to see if they have one. So yeah, that's the plan. Now I'm gonna go, don't really know where it is, but I'm gonna meet up my dad through the Stockholm traffic, so we'll see how this will go. Wish me luck! Okay, the floor trim is bought. This is for the doors, and I actually found the exact match, sort of, for this. It's hella great. Okay, now I have to go home. My dad helped me so much. And yeah, it started pouring rain outside. So let's go. And also, like, can we just... Yes! Great. Okay, let's go home and see if I can fix this. I don't think so, but I think I'm gonna ask my dad to help me on Saturday and Sunday. Well, hi! Halloj! Happy Saturday today, actually. And today we're gonna place the trim on the floors and around the doors. Wow, I haven't counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I've counted correctly. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Also, my dad is bringing a little machine because In every corner we have placed this little thing. Can you even tell? It's like a little trim that you put in the corners. Yes, but this trim is a bit too long. I don't know if you can see it that well. I'm gonna see if I can show you somewhere else in here. Okay. Okay, so I have this trim. Now I can see it. It's this trim. We have to cut it like a 1.5 centimeters because this trim is a bit too high. So I have to trim that. Long story short, my dad bought a machine for it. So that's great. That's literally the only thing we have to do. So we have to put like some trim over here and on the floors, as well as like something that keeps down this part. And we have to fix everything with the stones. So that's that. That's what we're going to do. We have today and tomorrow, and somehow I need either today or tomorrow to trash this. We'll see. It will probably be tomorrow, I think. But yeah, that's that. Let's do it, I guess. Good morning. It's Saturday today. No, it's Sunday today. Yesterday we managed to do it as much as possible. We didn't have enough of the trim, so I have to buy some more trim and stuff. But I have trim in almost every room except, or I have trim in every room except. So I have trim in every room except my wardrobe and one wall in my entryway. So we're gonna go and buy that today and then like fix all of the like small things, and then I'm done. But I am going next week to like remodel a little bit, like move some furniture and stuff, see what I want, where I want to place it, etc. Fy fan, fint ska det vara! Oh my god. I'm so fucking tired. Okay, it's the end of the day, it's Saturday. Oh, we have worked today. I'm so tired, but the good news sort of is that we are almost done. Like, we have, out of everything, we maybe have like 95% done. Yes. We still have like, we need to make sure that this opening looks the same as this. So we need to buy some more of these trims. And also we need to add one of the like silvery ones on that side as well. And then we're going to just like, I don't know, fix small holes like this. We're gonna fill them in as well. And when I say them, my dad is going to do it during the week when I am at work. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna show you exactly how it looks, but this is my floor. Next week we're gonna tackle this. we're gonna make sure that this looks okay. We have to like fill this space. It's very echoey in there. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do some interior designing, to my knowledge and capability. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And now it's 6:45. I'm just gonna edit this and go to bed. So I see you next week. We're gonna fix this. Yay! Goodbye!